All right now, how's it going there, people? See if I can't make a firewood video here today. It's gonna be a good day. That's a good sign that I found a sassafras tree.
It goes all down through there.
Well, all right now, everybody, we're back at the tree service here, and I'm still working on this pile of logs. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning right now. My sleep schedule is all over the place. Now, in case you were wondering about Mavi, Mavi is still asleep in the curtain. Oops. I'm gonna get out here, have a little fun, run a saw for a little while today, and buck up some firewood. And that whole piece of crap right there is just a rotten piece of junk. It's called hamburger gravy.
And I was just like, oh, okay.
Well, okay, that's what that bucking up's gonna consist of. And you also have the opportunity there at this show to possibly get your face painted by somebody who is in the raging throes of kicking a nasty heroin addiction. And have a little something to do there. You can have something painted on your face in some pattern by somebody. And you may not want to get your face painted. That one's also really, really large for my 180 and my still 025. I gotta get this wood out of here. Let me get at it here, and I'll be back with you guys here shortly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna brown some ground beef. And it's very nice, a very good system, real efficient. That's what that wood looks like when it's just piled up in there. I really packed it in heavy. Now there's these ash logs. I keep cutting the pile down and they keep making it bigger. It's got about 4 truckloads of wood on top of it there, so
you just go through and just nuke everything on the screen real quick and you're done.
Okay, so you saw me stack that. Now there's that wood. All right, now good people of YouTube, loaded in good, and you can see this is all that ash I got. The rest is walnut, maple, and locust. Carrots and onion.
This is the game. This is the only options you have.
So I said, I'll take some of that because of the sheer amount of flammable materials that was in a firewood factory. How's it going now? I'm back at the tree service again. I'm trying to get some more loads of wood. Right now, we'll go ahead and clear the air. I did cut my hair. The first thing that you need to do is just go ahead and peel some potatoes. Don't just grab your wood and turn around and stomp on your pallet because you'll just break it up. And as soon as she realizes that there's food being cooked, and I just said the F word in the house, I finally have gotten lucky and I found a sassafras tree.
The little green guy here.
So here's the leaves, and that is a mitten with a thumb on it. This is an idea to save a little money now. Everything's gotten so expensive. The number 2 brain fart that I had is
now they only go up to 2 stars, is as high as they go.
So let's put this thing together. I'll grind those up and kind of give them a little bit of a taste test. The storms are getting far right up out there. I mean, it is getting far tough. Well, all right now, YouTube, I got those logs bucked up there, and I'm gonna go ahead and just change my shirt and change my hat. Man, I was soaking wet. It is just really hot out there. Sweating, wringing wet by the time I was done. My back hurt, my wrist hurt, my hands hurt. An MRI report is what they call that. I don't know if he's a firewood guy or what.
Let's see if you click on it. Not enough. It says not enough crystal.
All right, now everybody, there's our meat, and Mavi is on her toaster there. She likes to sit on the toaster when I'm doing stuff over here, and I'm just gonna...
Mavi's awake. Pretty girl.
I'm all for niching down, but it gets boring.
I think I might have just died. Anyways, I can't do that right now.
It's some Chinese brand, Nuke Lean, and it's a Firewood Orange Air Jordan shoe. $225 for that puppy. Learn to walk on your pallets. Cover it up, make a little roof over it, whatever. A little dull chain, and see if I can't get through that, because you can see the mud on that. Now look at the way this shirt looks. I am really impressed. I mean, it's delicious, I have to say. Not a big deal. I'm thinking about just going emo or goth or whatever you want to call it there, and painting my fingernail black. As I grow that out, it'll be about 3 months of going goth for me. So this is one of the least favorite parts of doing this. So it will burn by November or December, but certainly January, February will. The more that you think about these three things when you're out and about doing your firewood, the more you'll realize how key they really are. I just don't like it when people go around and try to become someone else. Pretty much all night long, I came out and I made 3 loads of wood, and it's $47.65 billion. Some good burning wood. You can see that little dip in there, and I'm just gonna get set up here and get on with another day of bucking and loading some wood. So here we go. Okay, that light is really bright, and I got a nice load of Kefsuxula in here. And you want to get rid of that piece of junk old stove and try to get some free government grant money. All right, well, this is what it looks like when somebody has a dull chain.
You're making mashed potatoes.
All right, well, that's not cutting worth a damn. So you're here for the Dremel chainsaw sharpening. Okay, and that was one side already done. So, all right, that went good. I got them under here in the shade where they can get some rest down there. Which doesn't make sense at all. It's a sawdust dig for kids, and it uses hay, so it's not messy. Those logs are all just thrown in there in a big jam, and you may not even know that that was pork if somebody didn't tell you. It'll never dry if that sits there and collects rainwater on that punk all year. So I would not recommend inserting firewood anywhere near your body orifices. I set a log down on my hands there, and I got a little problem with my thumbnail once again. I'm just going to show a little footage of Mavi here. She likes to lay on piles of towels. All right now, everybody, welcome back to the channel. I need to take a break, drink some water, have some ramen noodles. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.